This is absolutely insane. I am holding in my hand a brand new Nokia 8210 with 4G capabilities. Now this is a trip down memory lane for a lot of people, and I've owned this original device back in the day, so this refresher is absolutely interesting. Now it's already available in India, and I purchased this from Amazon for around 4,000 rupees, and it's available in two colors, the blue and red. I've got the blue one over here. And once you unbox it, the first thing you get is the phone itself, and of course also inside the box is a separate battery. Now this is a BL4E, which is 1450 milliamps, and then you can pop this in the device. But you also get a charger, which is a micro USB charger, a standard fixed type wall charger, and you also get some documentation. Take a look at the device. It is very reminiscent of the design of the original 8210, but you do have a longer screen. It's a 2.8-inch display on the front. It is a QVGA display, and it is colored. Below that, you'll see the standard keypad with the select buttons, a D-pad in the center, and call and end call buttons. And you can also lock and unlock the device with the D-pad and the star button. You also do have a flashlight on the phone. It's on the top and can be enabled from the menu. The phone is running S30 Plus operating system, and it is very familiar and will remind you of the good old Nokia days. Now there are some games preloaded. Of course, Snake is on there, so you can spend endless amounts of time playing games on this device. But you do have some modern games from Gameloft and other developers, plus you can download some more. The phone does not have any Wi-Fi, but it does support 4G, so you will get some good data speeds if you do have network availability. Unfortunately, in our studio, we rely on Wi-Fi connectivity and Wi-Fi calling, so standard calls don't work really well, and our network wasn't very strong on the 8210. So if you struggle with these issues in your area, I would recommend staying away from this device. But if you have a good strong 4G network, you can continue to buy this device. Now it does accept 2 SIM cards, and rated battery life is about 27 days on one SIM card. So if you're going to be using 2, expect a couple of days less than 27. But all of those things aside, the overall phone is really well made, and it does have a camera that you're probably not going to be using with a 0.3 megapixel resolution on the back. But it does have built-in FM radio, which does not require a headset to connect, and it does have good amounts of reception, as well as a good speakerphone on the back, allows you to listen to the radio without any issues. You can pop in a micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes, so you can have some music on there. In case you want to listen to music on this device, you do also get a headphone jack, and it does support Bluetooth 5.0 as well. Now, this is not going to be a phone that you're going to be using as your primary phone in 2022, but this is a great backup phone and a great phone if you're traveling and doing some outdoorsy travel, because this will constantly give you battery life, and it has a built-in flashlight. I'm not sure if this is something that people would need in 2022, but I definitely wanted it for the nostalgia factor, and not only does it feel great in the hand, it also feels hefty and is weighing in at about 107 grams. Now, if you guys are interested in checking out this device, I'll have links to it in the description below. And before you go there, don't forget that this phone also does have the good old Nokia ringtone, the message tone, and of course the startup sound. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out the device, and make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.